Hey everyone, have you ever done someone a favor and then, well, let's just say they haven't exactly been the most timely with reimbursing you? Maybe you spotted a friend for concert tickets or helped a neighbor fix their leaky faucet. It happens to the best of us. But what if I told you there was an app that could help you get paid up front for those everyday favors and small jobs? That's where beforepay comes in. beforepay is a handy little service that lets you request upfront payment for things you've done. Sounds great, right? Well, maybe you've used beforepay to help someone out, and now you're wondering, how do I actually get my money? Fret no more, because in this video, we're going to walk you through the exact steps on how to request a fee payment on beforepay. By the end of this video, you'll be a beforepay pro, collecting your fees with ease. So, whether you're a seasoned beforepay user or just getting started, let's dive in. Before we begin, before we jump into the how-to, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. First, make sure you and the person you helped have both agreed on the fee beforehand using the beforepay app. That way, everything is clear and upfront. Second, remember that beforepay does have some fees associated with their service. These are typically split between you and the person paying you. So, it's always a good idea to factor those fees into your initial agreement to avoid any surprises later. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get down to business. Requesting your fee on beforepay. Here's how to request your fee on beforepay. Open the beforepay app, grab your phone and launch the beforepay app. Tap the Activity tab. There should be a tab at the bottom of your screen that says Activity or something similar. Go ahead and tap on that. Find the request. This will show you a list of all your beforepay requests, including the one for the service you provided. Find the request you want to collect a fee for and tap on it. Request fee. Once you've opened the specific request, you should see a button that says Request Fee or something similar. Don't be shy. Tap that button. Enter the amount. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter the exact amount you agreed upon for your service. beforepay may also pre-fill this amount based on your initial request, so double-check to make sure it's correct. Add a description, optional while not required. You can add a brief description in the provided field to remind the other person what the fee is for. For instance, you could put payment for fixing leaky faucet or concert ticket reimbursement. Confirm and send. Once you've entered the amount and optional description, review everything to make sure it's accurate. Then, with confidence, hit that confirm button and send the fee request. Following up, if needed. Great job! You've officially requested your fee through beforepay. In most cases, the other person will receive a notification and be able to easily settle the fee through the app. But what happens if some time passes and you haven't heard back? Don't panic. Here are some tips for following up. Send a friendly reminder. You can send a quick message through beforepay to the other person reminding them about the outstanding fee. Keep it polite and professional, something like hi, name, just following up on the fee for service you provided. Use beforepay's tools. beforepay may offer built-in tools to help nudge the other person to settle the fee. Explore the app's features to see if there's a gentle reminder option you can utilize. Remember, beforepay offers a secure platform for requesting and receiving fees. However, it's always a good idea to choose who you help wisely and be clear about expectations up front. Alright, that's all you need to know about requesting a fee payment on beforepay. Hopefully, this video has empowered you to collect your payments quickly and easily. beforepay is a fantastic tool for everyday transactions, but remember, clear communication and responsible use are key. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.